Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check iPad model and iOS version so you don't waste time. Once done, prepare a Mac or PC and a USB cable. You'll use them to sideload files. Make sure you create or set aside a spare Google account to log into Play services. Next, enable settings General VPN and device management so you can install a developer profile. This lets the device accept the non-App Store packages required for later steps. Now you'll install the core components that mimic Android on iPad. First, download the specific Google Play APKs and a reputable conversion or virtualization tool to your computer. These bridge Android apps to iPad. Connect the iPad and transfer the packages. Run the installer on the computer and follow prompts on the iPad. Accept permissions and trust the newly installed profile. You must patiently allow installations and occasional reboots. These steps create the environment where Play Store can run. Finish by signing into Google Play with that spare account and update Google Play services so apps function. Once installed, test a few lightweight apps to confirm behavior. If an app crashes or cannot open, clear app data, reinstall it, or rerun the conversion utility. Many issues resolve after a fresh convert. If problems persist, revoke the device profile and re-enable it, or restore from a backup and repeat the process carefully. This single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.